Hello everyone! Today we're going to be doing another big cube solve. In the past I did my 17 by 17, which is my biggest cube. Today we're going to be doing my second largest cube, which is the 12 by 12. Now it's my second largest in terms of layers. It's not actually my second largest physically because my YuXin 11 by 11 is actually much larger than this. So I'm actually excited to do this solve because the puzzle is a lot more manageable and I can actually kind of hold it in my hands, and I think that's definitely going to help my time a lot when I do this solve. So I've solved this once before and I didn't time it, so I have really no idea how long it's going to take me. My goal is under 1 hour because my 11 by 11 PB is about 34 minutes, so I figure maybe I can get this in the 50s, hopefully a bit under an hour. So that's the goal, but really I'll be happy with anything. I just want to get a time today, solve it straight through, and get some splits as well. Either way, I'm pumped to get into this solve, so let's get scrambling. Alright, I'll call that scrambled. Whew, okay, 12 by 12, let's go. Alright, just over 6 minutes for the first center. That's not too bad. I guess that's pretty good pace actually. Let's keep going. Okay, we took like 36 seconds longer to do the second center than the first center, so I'm not going in the right direction. Hopefully they'll get better from here on out, because I did have a massive pause looking for one random piece in that center. So hopefully the third one will be a bit better. Got the second center done in under 6 minutes, so at least we're going in the right direction. Alright, 5:46 for the fourth one, and now last two. So this one might actually take a bit longer because last two centers are a bit tricky sometimes. It all depends on how many commutators I need to do at the end. So hopefully it won't be too many. Alright, 4:40 for the last two centers. I definitely did not do them as efficiently as I could have, but still under 5 minutes, and we are going into edge pairing at under 30 minutes for the total solve. So this is looking pretty good. say edge pairing is done there, even though we have one more edge to do, because I will be waiting until last layer so I can know which way to flip all these parodies in the edges. Uh-oh. No. Okay, I have a slight dilemma. Okay, whew. I was gonna say, we almost made it through the entire solve without any issues. Okay, we're good. I'm gonna just do the entire 3x3 stage. Oh, look at this multi-slot. In non-time lapse, because it'll go by so quickly. And now we just need to figure out which way to flip all of these edges. And it looks like we have 4 edges to flip, and I'm not going to do them at the same time, so let's do this. Two of them are flipped. Alright, success. And then easy COLL, no PLL parity. That's nice. Boom. Alright. That was pretty good. I'm very satisfied with that. We got it under 40 minutes. Nice. No big casualties. We almost had a pop there at the end, but other than that, it was pretty good. All right, the cube is solved. 39 minutes and 10 seconds. I'm pretty happy with that. And I said in the beginning of the video, my 11x11 PB is 34 minutes. So this took 5 minutes longer than my 11x11 PB. I would have thought it would have been a bit longer than that, but hey, I'm not complaining. I think that's mainly because my 11x11 is so much larger and harder to handle than this cube is, so it probably took a lot longer. Also, that's a pretty old PB, so maybe I could do a lot better now. I just haven't solved it recently. So that's all for this solve video. I hope you guys enjoyed the time lapse. If you're interested in buying this specific 12x12, this is the MeiLong 12x12. I'll have a link down in the description below, so you can buy one from thecubicle.com. This puzzle goes for $125, which is a very reasonable price for a puzzle of this size. But if you want to get 5% off of your order from the Cubicle, you can use the discount code LCC at checkout. That's all for the solve. I'll leave a link to the 17x17 time-lapse video if you want to see that one as well in the description below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.